Finger Down YouTube channel edition. Put a finger down if you have more than 10 subs. Put a finger down if you post almost every day or you post every day. Put a finger down if you post edits. Put a finger down if you always do shoutouts, like all the time to anyone. Put a finger down if you're a Nurse Nuts fan page or you post Nurse Nuts related content sometimes. Put a finger down if you like to do edit comps. Put a finger down if you have just a normal channel. And I mean as in normal, as in you're not a Nurse Nuts fan page, you're just a normal channel that does normal stuff. Anyway. Put a finger down if you sometimes do vlogs. Put a finger down if you have ever done a cooking video or a art vid, or both on your channel. And lastly, number 10, put a finger down if you care about your fans. And how well did you do? And hashtag me at hashtag ZTHO. Hashtag ZT, put a finger down.